Valentine's Day is a week away, but I didn't want to wait to make this video. I need my ladies, Casey and her daughter Clarissa, to know how much I love them. Casey, you are the most generous person I know, and I want to thank you so much for your caring, support, and dedication. You have been there for me when I needed you without fail or complaint, and you have done more for me than I deserve, and I really can't begin to thank you enough for that. Your tenderness and sense of humor make being together with you a joy, and it fills me with happiness. I love that not only do you put up with my rambling and dumb jokes, but you seem to really enjoy it. I love that you genuinely listen to me, even when I say things that I might not think are that interesting, and when I bring them up weeks later, you just tell me that you know. It means more to me than you probably know when you share web links and news articles with me. It feels so good to know you are thinking about me, and I really enjoy sharing them with you in return. I think about you all the time, and it makes me so happy you feel you can share things with me. Things that might seem like little things to other people, but I know how important it is for you to share them with me. And sharing our mutual passions is wonderful. Watching our Back to the Future marathons on November 5th means so much to me that you would choose to spend your day with me. And being able to introduce you to Deep Space Nine made me incredibly happy. I genuinely got excited when we watched it together. Even the little things with you make me happy, like watching you kill commies in Call of Duty Cold War. Slaughtering noobs in multiplayer makes me so proud. And I know I don't tell you these things or tell you how much you mean to me enough, and I really should. You have been the most important inspiration in my YouTube videos, and I can say this without exaggeration that I would not have a YouTube channel without your support and encouragement. When no one was watching my videos, it was you who kept me going. You are the person I most want to see in my premieres and live appearances. It just would not be the same without you there, it really wouldn't. Clarissa, you are always my best buddy. I love you like you are my own, and your smile and laughter are like a summer sun in winter, and you make me happier than I can describe. I would not trade the time I spend with you for anything, and I never want to see you unhappy. I adore you, and you make me want to be a better person. Casey, Clarissa, I am never happier than when I'm with you, and when we're apart, I always miss you. To say I haven't been as good to you as I could have been is an understatement. Certainly there have been times when I haven't been what you deserve at all, and I truly regret that. And I want to keep trying to make it up to you and be someone you can both be proud of. And this video Valentine's Day card is the least I can do. Christian, with love, signing out.